as long as he's with his mum. This pig will let the child in him fully function. We found the two happiest soulmates in the world today.
Sei incredibile, sei. Non bu. Non bu. Adesso ti doppio.
Sometimes the reason someone likes to stay home is just because of a soft friend like this.